Hello all, welcome to daily tutorials. So in this particular video we are going to see how to rename columns for a data frame. So let's get started. So I've created a section in the same demo notebook which we followed in the previous lessons. So I'm just given a name as a rename columns. So here I'm going going to look up at the data frames. So df.head, so it will give the first 5 rows of the data frame. You have 9 columns. So we are going to change a single column name, taking this an example. So you can also get the column names using a command like df.columns. So it will return only the column names. So this is one example. So now we have to use the syntax df.rename, give a parenthesis, and give a we need to create a variable called columns, and you need to create a dictionary. So a dictionary takes two arguments, one is key and value. So in place of key we will give the current column name as a population. Okay, then in place of value we are going to give a population in uppercase, or like pops. Okay, then now we are going to execute it. So now you can see the previous name was population, now it is no, turned to pops. So we will give a same name as like in uppercase population. Okay, now when we again if we look the original data frame to see whether it is reflected or not, if I execute it, you can see this name is again in lowercase. Why it is? Because so we have modified in the current data frame, but we didn't assign it to original data frame. So there is other way. We have to use an extra argument called in place. So if you give in place as true, then try to execute again. Now we will see that you will again try to execute this data frame. You can see now it has been changed. So this is because we have given in place as a true, so it modifies the original data frame. And then so suppose we need to change this all column names to uppercase. So again we have to use df dot rename, same syntax, then open your parenthesis and give the argument as columns. And here the main task is we have to convert basically these column names are string, so we have to convert all string to upper, and then you have to put in place is equal to true to make sure it modifies the original data frame. So now I'm going to execute this one. So now again I'm going to check df columns to make sure it has been replaced. So now you can see it's beautifully it has replaced all the column name to uppercase. Now again I am going to rename to lowercase. So if I give str.lower, then again if I execute, and we will check the column name again. So you can see now all the column names converted from uppercase and lowercase. So using this str function we can we can do a different string functions here. So it will support all kind of string function, upper, lower, capitalize, everything. So I will let you to try remaining string functions with the columns names. So that's all about today's videos. To we will see a next interesting video. Thank you. Bye.